Don Moody here of handymanreality.com and condorenew.ca of Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. I'd like to talk to you a moment about a pet peeve I have about plumbers and plumbers doing repairs. And an easy way to tell if the plumber that you had come in and do a repair for you is a friend that you should hire again or not. Let's take this problem that happened above this tub. There was an issue in the bathroom above, and for some reason they cut a hole in the ceiling, probably fishing for the vanity, which is not quite there, sort of thing. A lot of it is above a duct, which could be a mistake I might have made too, except that this is a drop ceiling. They could have looked up and done a little more investigating. But here, my real issue is, if you're going to cut out a wall, or cut out, pardon me, a ceiling, there's no way to rebuild this corner now. If they would have cut, 2 inches away or 3 inches away from the corner, a drywaller could have fit in some boards to sew it all back together again, could have easily finished this and gone on. Everybody would have gone on with their lives. Now, realistically, the most appropriate way to fix something like this is to strip off at minimum the top row of tile. Once you start stripping off tile, rematching it is very challenging. There's just a myriad of issues here with this, with the idea of stripping the tile. And who wants to invest another $1,200–$1,500 in retiling a revenue property to repair a hole a plumber needed to make, when the plumber could have chosen to just cut away from the corner so that the corner bead would never need to be repaired. So in this case, what I'm going to end up doing is not actually repairing it. It's a revenue property and quite a dilapidated one. What I'll end up doing is sewing in boards from here to there, all the way down, a board for across the length there, just so that I have something to screw a new panel to. Then I will, of course, tape all the joints and everything here. I will sand it all in and repaint it. And after that, I will actually take a vinyl piece of trim that comes out 3/4 of an inch and down 3/4 of an inch. And I will put that up with a construction adhesive all the way along the edge. And then I will seal that with a 100% silicone on the tile side and a paintable caulking on the ceiling side. Then I will just repaint it all. So my pet peeve is, if your plumber needs to do a repair and he needs to cut a hole in your ceiling, he should have a stud finder to help him find the studs or the floor joists or rafters, and he should be able to cut away from the wall at least 3–4 inches so that whatever repair needs to be made is easily done and affordably done, because doing this was just foolishness. Thank you very much. This has been Don Moody of handymanreality.com and condorenew.ca of Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. You have a great day now.